Hi, my name is Dave Smith. I own Austex Heating and Air Conditioning, and I'm here today to talk about SEER ratings. And what is a SEER rating? People always ask me, what is a SEER rating? And a SEER rating is Seasonal Energy Efficiency Ratio. Some people say Seasonal Energy Efficiency Rating. Basically what it comes down to is how efficient a system is. We sell systems good, better, and best. Generally, a good system is what the state will say is our minimum SEER rating that we can sell it at, which is efficiency rating. So if I'm talking tonnage, let's say a 3-ton system, 15 SEER would be the beginning point or the minimum in Texas that we can sell. So that would be our standard system. Then you can jump up a little bit higher SEER rating to a 16, 17 SEER. You can put in a 2-stage system, and that goes to that would be our better system, we would call it. And it's still going to be the same tonnage. It's just what it costs you per hour to run it is what's different. And then we can go up to our evolution or our variable speed systems, which are going to be somewhere in the 18 to 24 SEER ratings, which is extremely efficient. This is an evolution system. This is my house. This is a 5-ton evolution system. Right now it's running. And it's about 90 degrees out here. So it's probably running at between a 3 to 4 ton capacity. We're talking it's running. That's how quiet they are. It's extremely quiet. One of the things that you get once you start getting into higher efficient systems, quietness, how it sounds, and this is a perfect example. I'm standing right next to it and it's running, talking. So you can see how quiet they are. Basically what you're looking at is what does it cost you per hour to run the system? Tonnage is going to be how well it cools, and it's going to cool the same if it's a 3-ton, whether it's a 15 SEER all the way up to a 20 SEER, as far as what it costs you per hour to run. The higher the SEER rating, the more intricate the system becomes. High efficient equipment does that lower efficiency systems don't. Dehumidification. Dehumidification is comfort. When people talk about, well, I want to be comfortable, people think, well, my temperature of the house is what's my comfort zone, maybe 72, 74, 75, and that's what they think makes them comfortable. Reality is it's a balance between your temperature and the relative humidity in the house. I've had people call me and they'll say, Dave, I go to my thermostat, I'm comfortable at 74 degrees, and today I'm miserable in my house and it says it's 74. It feels like it's 78, but the thermostat says it's 74. Well, technically the temperature is 74 in that house. The difference is the relative humidity. For example, I get this call every spring and every fall because outside temperatures are not as hot as it is in the summer where you got 90, 100 degree temperatures and your unit is consistently running. But in the fall and spring, the system reaches temperature that your set point in the house relatively quickly, but it doesn't run long enough to dehumidify the house, especially when we're in the spring and fall, when you get the storms and the temperature's not hot outside. This system, for example, this is a variable speed system. It actually, on the thermostat, has 2 settings on it. One is for the temperature and the other is for dehumidification. It will actually cycle itself onto a dehumidification mode, even if the temperature is reading what you're normally comfortable with. The idea is not change the temperature, but to dehumidify the house. Only on high efficient systems are you going to get that capabilities. Evolution systems do it the best. I'll walk by my thermostat, it'll say dehumidifying, and you can't hear anything running. But in reality it's slowing the fan speeds down and it's drawing the moisture out of the house. Again, the idea is don't change the temperature because we're good with the temperature, but we need to get rid of the moisture that's in the air. That's comfort. When your humidity and your temperature is at a good setting, then you're comfortable at that point. Thanks for listening. This is Dave again with Austex Air Conditioning, and we'd be happy to come out and look forward to seeing you.